So now I'm here in the middle of this track. I don't know how much I have walked, but I'm feeling good, yeah. And I think uh, that's the water coming from there. That's the waterfall. Uh, it is blurred, but that is it, yeah. From there, water is coming out. It's coming down. Yeah. And I'm here. I'm in love with mountains for a long time ago. I think when I was in my 10th standard, from that moment on, I love mountains. Actually, I feel so good when I walk into the mountains, into the jungle, man. You like to see me? So here I am, and I'm feeling good. This is the sound coming from their waterfall, and these are the kids. I think ये localites हैं. My shoes are torn. This left वाला ये फट चुका है. I don't know. I love these shoes too much, and it is torn now. The left one. This one. You can see. That's why I'm feeling uncomfortable in walking. That's good. No matter how hard the journey is, keep on going. And I think these guys are labor. They are working here. काम करते हो यहाँ पे? काम करते हो? क्या काम करते हो? क्या काम करते हो? हाँ, नहीं इनसे खोदना बोदना. तो कुछ बन रहा है यहाँ पे? क्या बन रहा है? हाँ, क्या साउंड? ये क्या होता है? मतलब क्या बना रहे हो? चावल? अरे यार चावल कैसे हो? क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा भक्त.
अच्छा, वाटरफॉल यही है? इससे ऊपर भी है? इससे ऊपर भी है कोई मेन? ऊपर है? भाई एक दिन रह नहीं सकता बंदा यहाँ पे. But I love them for one day. This is the couple. Life is awesome, man. अब ठंडी ठंडी हवा चल रही है. Now I am feeling better. Okay, this is the view. This is the view. And if you look down, yeah, you can pretty much higher I am today. Okay, that short line. That short line. That's where water is coming from. Water is coming down from there. Good. It feels so good when you travel solo and see these moments, see these landscapes. It really feels so good. Keep on moving. I don't know why these blondes love Rishikesh too much. Even the Steve Jobs was here. I don't know what's the reason. When they can't feel good, when they search for peace, they came India. And usually they make comments that India is dirty, dirty people, poor people. What the fuck is this? These guys are assholes. Literally. झरना परिक्षेत्र में नशीले पदार्थ का सेवन करना प्रतिबंधित है. Really?
भैया बैग दिखा
बैग चेक करना है, कीजिए. मिस्टर अनिल कुमार, तो आप यहीं रहते हैं?
नहीं, ड्यूटी लगती है भाई.
नहीं, फुल टाइम यहीं रहते हो ना?
हाँ हाँ.
अभी मेन झरना तो ऊपर है ना?
हाँ जी.
मेन झरना हो गया, आगे भी चैन है.
नहीं नहीं, कोई बात नहीं.
हाँ जी, हाँ सही है. अच्छा सर, थैंक यू. अच्छा ठीक है. ओके, that's their job to do so. Okay, here is the shot. It's just a trailer, you can say. Pressure is good, yeah. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on. Logi. No, Logi is a good car. I have not tried yet, but yeah, I heard somewhere Logi. It's good for traveling, you know, like Innova. It has a good engine. All that Renault shit. Okay, yes. This is something I have seen. I have seen this in Pangot, somewhere in Pangot when I was off-roading with my bike colleagues. I rode my Bullet 350 Black Classic on this road, kinda this road, like this, and it really feels so good when you ride your bike on the rock, sands, and whatever this shit is. It really feels so good. It's my first time I'm trekking like this. I used to travel my bike. I used to travel with my bike on these roads, but now it's my first time. Yeah, and it's good. I'm feeling lovely. No regrets in life. If you want to do it, and if you think you can do it, and if you are going to do it, then you will do it and you will get the results you are expecting, or more than expectations. you can get to see an animal, any animal. I don't know, dangerous or non dangerous, or that will be a surprise. Yeah, that's the road I came from. Oh my god, this is cool. I don't want to slip. Should I sit here? No, that's good. Okay. Who built this shit, man? This shitty mountain is pretty much higher. It's about to fall. Oh my god. God. Almighty God. I want to see each and every creation of God. I know I can't, but I would like to see maximum as I can in my life. Life is short. Life is short or life is long. If you are not living your life, it's pretty long. But you're living your life each day, each hour. You're expecting much and you're doing work. Take traveling. If you're traveling in a week once, then yeah, you get to know meaning and value of your life. But if you're not traveling, if you're not doing work, traveling is not just an example. There are so many things to do. Karam, I don't remember this. कर्म करता जा, फल की चिंता ना कर, चलता जा, चलता जा. Okay, this is contains and this is that cactus? Nah, I don't know, my camera quality is not so good. Sorry. Well, I'm using Redmi 3S Prime, but it gave me pretty much good camera for cost. I paid 9,000 and I'm satisfied with this phone. It's good, camera quality is good, sound is good, processor is doing better. 3GB RAM, 32GB ROM, that's good. In 9,000 I've paid, so I'm fully satisfied with this mobile. It has fallen from my hands multiple times, but now still it's doing better and will go on. Elevation is pretty good. Okay. Are you going to fall over me? No? Okay, bye. Oh shit. What's that? Oh fuck. I'm not Bear Grylls, I cannot eat that shit. डर लग रहा है क्या? ना, this is a few again. Am I alone here? This is the second phase. That security guard told me downwards you will get to see three phases. First phase, right there. The guard checked my bag. Okay, that was the first phase. Now I'm climbing the second phase, and the third phase is about to come. As high as high as I go, I will get to see the waterfall so clearly and so closely. I think that's something like camp right there. Ah, I'm pretty much lost there. Only two-wheelers are allowed here as the road is so narrow. Okay, deep breathe. It's good. Okay, that's the river Ganga. Yesterday, I rafted there. That's the one way, right there. Okay, now this is the whole Rishikesh. As far as I can see, that's the town, man. This is the whole Rishikesh, I guess. Surrounded by mountains, and in the middle, it's River Ganga, where the main business is rafting. People are, I think, 40% of people right there in Rishikesh are doing rafting business. Maybe 40%, yeah. Okay, good place to earn. I met a guy. He gave me a lift to Shivpuri camp, and the guy named Bhagat Singh. That was his name. He told me his story that he financed a Bolero. Bolero is that, I don't know, that Tata Sumo, that car is. He bought it on finance, and he started a business with small scale, like he used to rent that board, that raft, and make a business like the raft he had rented. Now that he has purchased his own car, and that was new, I think 3 से 4 दिन पहले खरीदी होगी. Life is short. Who said that? Do business. Do what you want to do. Feel what you want to feel. Achieve what you want to achieve. It's a gift God has given to you, and it's called life. It's only yours. Trust me, man. It's only yours. Nobody can take it from you. Nobody can rule on your life until you allow. I was pretty much impressed with that guy, Bhagat. He told me whenever you came again in Rishikesh, please contact me, as I have now my own raft, and I can make you feel better in camp. Like he has managed his camp so good. Okay, this is the waterfall. I think the main waterfall my brother Vivek had seen. It's right up there. I think I have to move on some more kilometers. Okay, let's move on again. I'm gonna show you the whole path again. Whenever sound came, or noise came, I got scared. Well, the very, I don't know, it is unplanned. The one thing I should have done but I have not done is to carry a water bottle. I have no water bottle. This is unplanned. I don't know it. क्या हो रहा है भैया? खुदाई कर रहे हो? किस चीज की? रेलवे? यहाँ पर रेलवे लग जाएगी? कहाँ से? कब तक बनेगा ये रेल लाइन? 10 साल तक बनेगा। वाकई में रेलवे है क्या? I don't know. Okay, whatever it is, I will come again after 10 years. As we'll see. Is it possible? Everything is possible. I want to sit here, yeah.